This, it's not getting the love that I think it deserves. Not a first impression, because I've actually been really enjoying this, and I'm surprised that I don't see more reviews on this on anywhere actually. The CoverGirl 1mm Nano Brow Pencil. CoverGirl recently launched a ton of like new clean products, and I fell in love with like how skinny the little tip was. And it reminds me of the Unleash brow pencil that I reviewed not too long ago that I absolutely love, that I burned through it in like 6 weeks. Couple things I want to say about this particular brow pencil. It has a tiny little point. I usually use the Morphe Micro. Let me show you the difference, just so you can see the difference. This is a micro brow pencil from Morphe, and I adore this pencil. It's one of my favorites. And this is the CoverGirl one. That is significantly different. Now, I personally find, because my eyebrows are thinner, they're more sparse, when I use the Morphe one, I can get really nice definition, but it also gives it a bit of a fuller effect, which I'm not mad at. But I do love the precision of a fine, super fine point like this brow pencil. When you're using this kind of brow pencil, you cannot pull that much out. It's gonna break. It's a very skinny point and it's very fragile. So with this, you just wanna get just a bit of that little tip out like that. It can be a little bit annoying because you have to constantly like, you're not sharpening it, like, you know, release more of it. But if you want very like crisp, defined, true hair stroke hairs for your eyebrows, this is the way to go. So let me just show you what I do. Whenever I'm doing my eyebrows, I always start by doing a little outline of everything, kind of like that. I'll zoom you guys in. And I guess like where it matters for me is when I get to this part, it starts to get too thick if I'm using a bigger brow pencil. Again, anybody can use this, but I think those of you who have thin, sparse eyebrows like I do, this is gonna be more up your alley. I wanna say the brow pencil was somewhere around like $10. My advice to that, like I always say, use your extra buck. You know, like when you spend money at CVS, you get extra bucks or whatever. Use that. You can always check Amazon. You can check Target, because I believe Target, if you have a Target card, you can save 5%. Not that 5% is huge, but it's something, right? Also, the color I got was medium brown, number 508. So this is great, especially if you're trying to get that little definition there. I love the spoolie too. I just take it and kind of flip it. It's a good spoolie. It's not like obnoxiously big. It's fine, and it's gonna do the job of blending out the pencil. See how I can go back and really get that nice crisp line? And now if I go up, I can mimic the little brow hairs. That's how I kind of do mine. I go like this, I blend it, and then I go back to get some more definition. Also, don't put too much pressure when you're applying this. Again, that'll break any tip of a pencil, like a brow pencil that you're using. So I'm gonna just pull back so you can see the difference. So my eyebrow, which is sparse and thin, compared to this one, it's not super thick, it doesn't look super artificial or anything like that. It just looks more defined and framed, and that's kind of what we're looking for. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna speed this through though. So now everything is balanced, everything is even, everything is framed. When I am kind of like running errands, I will always make it a point to do my eyebrows, because at least it creates balance. And then I'll curl my eyelashes, and then sometimes put mascara on, sometimes I don't put mascara on. But this is an absolute must. Not an absolute must, but if I'm gonna make any effort and I'm like, okay, I got 5 minutes and I gotta look put together, It's always gonna be my brows. Because I could put mascara on and not my eyebrows, and I just feel a little like, not my greatest. Like this, I feel more confident, like going out there, my eyebrows are done, even if I don't have mascara, because you know, I usually have, usually have these guys on. So you know, you can't even tell that I don't have mascara on. I'm sure you can, but you know what I'm saying. The balance, that's the other thing too. If you have glasses, you absolutely need to be filling in your eyebrows. So like I said, if you have very thin, sparse eyebrows, or you just want like, or you have full eyebrows and you just want to do like a little something to give it shape, I think this is amazing. It's definitely taken the place of my Morphe one. I'll go between two, or maybe I'll even use both, but I do like the precise application I can get with this. So try it out. Let me know if you like it. And I'll see you in my next one.